Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn how we can make the elevation. In the previous lecture we have completed the floor plans. For the same floor plan we are going to make the elevation. First let's start with the east facing elevation. This is the road facing for us. So we are going to draw the front elevation and then we can move to the side elevation, that is south face elevation. To draw the elevation, first you have to draw the line, horizontal line. Approximately you can draw like this and then later on we can modify it. This is the road level, 0 level. From this we have to draw the parking level. Parking level is of 1 feet 6 inches height from the road level. So I'm going to take the offset command and the offset distance is 1 feet 6 inches. Take the offset. And next we have to draw the floor level. Floor level is 1 feet 6 inches above from the parking level. So again I am taking the offset. If you just measure and see, this much bigger line is not required. I am just stretching and keeping like this. If you measure and see this is 1 feet 6 inch and this is also 1 feet 6 inch. Totally the floor level is 3 feet above from the road level. This is very important. This we have already discussed in the previous lecture as well. It is mandatory to keep a minimum distance of 3 feet from the road level to avoid the water seepage problem when the heavy rain comes or any drainage problem is there. This will help to prevent the seepage of water to the house. Next we can take this ground floor plan and then draw this elevation. This you have to imagine in such a way that you are standing here and then what and all you are seeing in this face, in this side, that you have to draw. Okay, so before that let's do some modifications here. In the column location we have taken this as a structural column, but this is not good idea. So instead of that, let's copy this and then keep it here. Let this column be the structural column for this portico and this one let's keep it as a normal one for the compound wall. So here we can plan the slab covering all these 4 columns and then we can take the cantilever beam over here and here and we can make a slab. So these 3 columns will be used for fixing the gate. Now copy this plan and then place it here. This one we can make it as a block. Ground floor, this is a block. Now what we can do here is, let's take the offset command and then take the floor height of 10 feet 3 inches. We can take the floor. This is the first floor level and we can take another 10 feet 3 inches. Take offset command, again 10 feet 3 inches. This is the second floor level and next let's take the offset of 8 feet for the terrace floor. So in this level we have to draw the elevation. This even we can reduce this like this. Now we can just bring down this plan. Let's use the construction line command, V for vertical lines, and then just take this one. This door we'll be seeing this door, window, this window, and here this window and then this wall. Now let's use the trim command and trim the unwanted lines. And this we can delete because for the other floors let's draw the lines later. Next even we can trim here. Use the stretch command and stretch like this. This side also we can stretch. Now this is the parking area. Okay, so this parking area, from this line we have to take the roof height. So I'm going to trim this one and then trim this. This we can delete. Here draw one line. Now use the offset command. Take 10 feet 3 inches. Take the offset of 6 inches for the slab This let's keep it for in the levels. Use the trim command, trim this line, this we don't want. And this one we can make it in dotted line because this is our floor level. Let's copy this and then write the levels first so that it will be clear for you. This text height we can change to 4 inches. This is road level plus 00 level. This is parking level 1 feet 6 inch level. Next this one is floor level. 3 feet level. This one we can trim like this. Next, let's draw the steps over here to access the floor level. Offset 6 inches, 3 steps. So this is the floor level. Let's use the trim command, delete these lines. We have the steps over here. See, if you just see, I'm just keeping this cursor over here. Here you will be having the steps, and climb that you will reach to veranda and then your main door. So here you will be seeing the main door. Okay. So for the main door, from this floor level, I'm going to take the offset of 7 feet. So till 7 feet you have to provide the main door. This we can delete. Next, what we can do here is we can use the trim command, trim all these lines. We can just stretch this floor level like this, and then we can change this line to bilayer. Let's trim this line and let's draw the window here. Next to the door we have the window. Offset 2 feet 6 inches is the sill level. So from the sill level we have to draw the window till this 7 feet level. Next we have to draw the window height. Offset 4 feet 6 inches so that it will reach to 7 feet. Trim. You can use the trim command. Delete these extra lines. This we can take like this and then trim. Use the match property command. Just like this. So we have the window here. Next, let's draw the window panels. Use offset, select this line, use the divide command, give 3. Delete this. See, we have 3 frames. Now we can take the offset of 2 inches. And for this offset 1 inch each this side. Let's delete the center line. Trim all these things. We have the window frame here. Next we can take the offset of 2 inches this side as well. Since it is a main door, we can provide the frame like this at a distance of 1 feet, and then we can just take one line like this. We can provide like this. Let's draw the outer frame for this window. Take offset 4 inch distance. This side also 4 inch. This side also 4 inch. Keep like this, and next we'll be seeing this window. For that window also we can take same this window line, use the trim command, Take offset of 4 feet 6 inches. Trim. You see this is 4 feet only. Let's move this one to 6 inches. Trim. Extend. And this is in the same line with this window. Now we can make the frame for this. Take offset of 2 inches. Draw one center line. Offset 1 inch each. Delete the center line. Use the trim command. Then draw the outer frame. Take offset of 4 inches. So like this we can draw. Now let's do the hatching for this window and door frames. Hatch. Add pick point. Let's do the outer hatching. Double click. This color we can change to 44 and hatch. Add pick point. Inner color we can change to white. So this is not a solid one, so this type we can change. Select here pattern, solid, give OK. So after that you have to come out of the hatch command and then you have to change this one. Double click on this, go to pattern name, other predefined, solid, OK. Similarly we can do here. This we can double click, predefined, pattern, here we can change solid, do OK, color 44. And next hatch, so this all together come as a single one. Let's change this one to solid, OK, and then color. We can change like this. Next for this also we can give the color. Solid and color as bilayer. Color as 44. So like this we can give the hatch. Next let's continue for the next floor. Let's use the trim command, right click, press shift and then extend. This also let's extend. And in the next floor what and all we'll see that we have to take that plan, floor plan and then see. And here it is empty. Okay, what we can do, this wall we can provide some wall grooves. It's for elevation purpose and aesthetic purpose, that we will do it later. Now I'm going to take this first floor plan, copy, select this block, first floor, give OK. Move here and then Excel, vertical, draw one line here and then this line is for French door and this is for the window. And this is for the outer line. So that's all we are going to see in this first floor. According to this we can just select this and this is the outer line, so we can move like this. Okay, so these two are the outer line. This is the French window and here we'll empty space, and this is one window. Okay, so first what we can do here is, let's take the sill level, offset 2 feet 6 inches. It is coming here. Trim this. Copy this window. Take this center point. Place it over here. So like this, the window is over. Next we have to draw the French window over here. To draw the French window, from this we have to take the offset of 7 feet, offset 7 feet distance. Use the trim command. You don't want these lines. And here take the offset of 2 inches. Use the divide command. Select the object, number of segment 3. 3 means two dividers will be there, and the spacing will be 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's why I gave 3, because we are going to draw the door, French door. Delete this. Take offset command, 1 inch on each side. Trim these lines. Offset 3 inches. Outer frame you can draw like this. You can trim these extra lines, and what you will be seeing here is the railing. See, you have the balcony over here. Here you will be having the railing, and then you will be seeing this plant. So that we have to add here. Actually, in the first floor plan, here there was one window. This window was here next to the column. So the same window we have to copy and then paste it on the same line. This both will not be on the same one, because this is coming here and this window is coming here. Next, let's draw the railing over here. See, I have already made the railing. This you can do simply with the line command. Move this one. Will come like this. So the railing will be till this end. Let's draw one construction line and then see how it looks. See, till here it has to come. If you measure the distance of this, see, it is 9 inches extra is there. Just edit that one and then stretch 9 inches. The block editor. See, now it is in line. So like this we can place the railings, and next we can place the plants over here. Just copy these plants from here. Let's reduce the size of this 2.75. It just got reduced. We look into the plan here and here it is there. This size also we can reduce. Use the scale command, 0.75. Next, select this one. Go to tools, draw order, bring to front. It will be like this. Next, if you look into the terrace floor plan, we have only this staircase area. So in the terrace floor we'll be having the headroom. So for that we can just take this outer line, XL B. This is the outer line, and this side if you see till this will be taking the headroom. Okay, so we can just trim this one, and this line we don't want. Delete this line also we don't want, and this line also we can trim till here. This line also we can delete. Just draw one line here. This is enough. Now if you see, we have the elevation. Only we have to draw some roofing over here for the staircase headroom. If you measure the distance from here to here, it is 10 feet 3 inches, and again this floor is 10 feet 3 inches height, and this one is 8 feet height. Okay, see here I have the roofing model. This also you can make by yourself by using just the line command. Just I am keeping this one here. This one we can make it down like this, and then we can move. Just trim these lines. So now this is perfect, and then even I have the groove for this wall. Just copy this. It's all for aesthetic purpose, and then we can paste it like this. You can stretch it till here. Use the trim command. Like this you can provide. So that's all. This is how your east facing elevation looks like. Once you start drawing, you will only come to know what and all you have to draw from that elevation, and you'll be getting the good imagination how that facing looks like. Let's name this one as east facing elevation. Let's reduce this text size to 2 feet. We can provide the underline. So that's all. We have completed the east facing elevation. I hope you have learned how we can make the elevation for the floor plan. That's all about this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture.